Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create a floating effect in Capcut Mobile. Let's go! First you need a nice background and an object you want to swing. Click on your picture, animations and add a nice slide in effect. For the left picture I choose slide right and for the right picture I choose slide left. Now you need to go to the video effects and click on search, type in pendulum. Choose the right video effect and then go back to your timeline. Here you can adjust the starting and end point of this video effect. We have two objects, so we copy the effect and now click on each effect and choose the right object. Somehow the objects or pictures look a little bit strange now. We must adjust the effects and remove or reduce the twist. And you can also adjust the size of both pictures and then you are done. Thank you for watching and see you next time.